Hello, welcome to Marg ERP Solutions. We will guide you through the steps to enabling rack-wise management in Marg software. So, let's start the video. Firstly, go to Master's option, then go to Marg Setups, then go to Control Room. A Control Room window will appear. The user will select Search in All. A Controls window will appear in which the user will search Rack Node. Now click on Accept. A Rack No window will appear. In Rack No Required, the user will select Y. The user will now press ESC button twice. Now click on Yes option to save changes. After following the above steps, Rack No field will get enabled in Item Master. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Check out our other videos on the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to leave your thoughts or suggestions in the comments below. Connect with us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.